Welcome to our exciting exploration into the world of electric eels. These unique creatures, which are not actually eels but a type of knife fish, are famous for their shocking abilities. They live in the dark, murky waters of South America's Amazon and Orinoco rivers. Did you know that electric eels can generate electricity? Pretty cool, right? They have special organs in their bodies filled with cells called electrocytes. When an electric eel wants to create an electrical charge, it makes these cells release a flow of ions, causing a shock. These shocks are not just for fun, they have important uses. Electric eels use their electric powers to navigate, find food, and communicate. The electricity helps them see in their dark surroundings, kind of like a superpower. Not only that, but the shocks can also be used for self-defense. When an electric eel feels threatened, it can release a really big shock to scare away predators. Imagine trying to bite into a lightning bolt. The electric eel's shock can be up to 600 volts. That's 5 times the power of a standard US wall socket. But don't worry, while these shocks can be quite surprising, they are usually not dangerous to humans. Did you know electric eels can grow pretty long? They can reach up to 8 feet in length. That's longer than most grown-ups are tall. They have a long, slim body that helps them move smoothly through the water. Another cool fact about electric eels is that they breathe air. Yes, you heard it right. Even though they live in water, they have to come up to the surface to gulp air. They can do this every 10 minutes or so. Electric eels have a very interesting way of hunting. They send out low-level electrical signals, which bounce back when they hit something. This way, they can locate their prey even in the murkiest of waters. Once they find their prey, they use a high-voltage shock to stun it before gobbling it up. A clever and electrifying way of getting dinner, wouldn't you say? Electric eels are fascinating, aren't they? But remember, they are wild animals and it's important to respect them from a safe distance. Never try to touch an electric eel or any other wild animal. That wraps up our fun facts about electric eels. These shocking swimmers are an electrifying example of how diverse and fascinating our world's creatures can be. So, the next time you think about superpowers, don't forget the electric eel. Can you imagine what it would be like to have the electric eel's shocking abilities? It's always fun to learn about our world's unique and wonderful creatures, isn't it? Stay curious, keep exploring, and remember, the world is full of amazing things waiting to be discovered.